I'm staying in this Airbnb and I just cannot stop myself from making this vlog because I really need to show you guys this one. It looks so Frenchy and it only costs 34 euros per night stay, like the whole day stay. I will show you around, so stay tuned. Bonjour, welcome back to India to France. Hi Rahul.
Hi.
This is where I enter from, and at the very entrance we have this life-size mirror, which is I think very much functional because when you're going out this works. And I also think it is a closet. Yeah, it holds some stuffs. And this is how we go. You hang your coat, your keys, and your stuffs that you need to grab if you have to run away, like quickly. Okay, then this comes the salon, or what we say the living room. Look at it, so many books. Yeah, and that's one closet where the owner has put in all the utensils because this is where the kitchen is. So I'll just go there in a while. And this is the living room, and this is the living room which we are renting for today. Look at this. I feel that this is so photogenic. I should take some pictures standing here and have this as a background. So now let's go visit Rahul. He's cooking something. Okay, there is Maggie that's in making and some stuffs like some bisibili and things. And this is the dishwasher, which is so petite, and how beautifully they have set everything that is necessary for people to stay in a house in such a small place. So it's really beautiful. And also we have some masalas. Yeah, and this is one fridge. And there we go. Back to salon. Let me take you to the interesting part. Second interesting part actually. Okay. Now this is the passage. Once we walk in, there is this room which is also rented. So this is the dormitory, and they call this as climatization. So it acts like an AC, the one that we usually have. So people here don't usually put AC like the ones we have back in India because the electricity is very, very expensive here. So during summers, like all 6 months, what most of the people do is they buy a device like this, and the vent, this goes out, and this is extremely cool. So right now it's set at 28 degrees. So yes, so it circulates the entire room. I don't know what they have kept there. I don't want to go because I think it's some personal stuff. So they have done some soundproofing and more books. Yay! And guitar. I'm pretty sure if someone loves books, this is the place that you would love to book for your Paris vacation. So yeah, this is the apartment and I really loved it. I wish I could rent this for a whole month, or I also wish if my house would look something like this back in Toulouse, because I really want to stay in a house which looks more French, because why not? I'm in France, right? Okay, so this vlog is very short. If at all you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to respond your questions quickly. And you can also book a one-on-one session with me if you want to know some of my experience from someone who has lived this life. So you can book a call as well. Alright, so that's it. See you in another vlog. Until then, bye.